So this is my data folder. Okay, this is my data folder, and this is my data folder, and there's a search button at the top right. When you click on it, you can search for a file. So suppose I want to search for building. If I type BLD and I press enter, I'll see all the buildings CSV files that is in all those folders to come up. Okay, but I don't need buildings because I want to run validation. So I'll type EA then they will come up. I'll press Ctrl A to select all. I'll copy to where I want it to be. So I'll copy to this empty folder and paste here. So after copying, these are all the the CSV files. This empty space, I'll click on it and type CMD, and Microsoft does command prompt to pop up. So I'll write a code. I'll write copy space star CSV space boundary EA. When you're writing the code, you write a small letter. I can just add maybe something else. Maybe today's date. Today is 20th of March 2022 .csv. So I'll press enter and it will merge all the boundaries together. So all the boundary points have been merged. So I'll just close it. This is the file, the merged file. So these are ones I don't need them anymore. I can delete them. So the mesh files, because you merged many folders, you need to remove the headings. So I'm going to open the file, and when I open it, you see all the boundary points. They've been merged into one single folder. Okay, so it's gonna be long because the points are many. So to remove the headings, so like for example, if I'm scrolling, you see heading. This is one of the EA. This is another EA. So I'll go to data and sort. So I'll sort according to state name, so that the ones that don't have state names, that's the headings will come out. So I'll sort state name and click OK. Then that's sorted. I'll go to the bottom. These are all the headings and they are not needed. I'll just highlight all. Right click these numbers on this cell, any of them, and delete. After deleting, I'll press Ctrl S to save. Okay, to prompt whether I want to save it. So I'll save. After saving, I can close it. Close this thing. So it is here. I know where it is. Okay, so you should know where your own is. Go to App Map. Where is it? This is my App Map. Okay. So when it opens, I'm just waiting for it to come up. It's kind of lagging. This one is the first validation I did the other time. I don't know if I'll just remove it. Okay. Okay, so this is my work. Yeah, but I'm not using them right now. Okay. So to run my validation, I will open my catalog folder. Then I will look for where I have my validation toolbox. So I have it inside validation report. I'll open the folder. This is the toolbox. I'll open it. Then when it comes up, I'll just open it, and when it comes up on the screen, I'm going to be, you know, um, going to that place where I saved the file. I'll just, I'll just, you know, let me just pause the video. When I'm ready, I'll continue with it. So the validation toolbox is open. So what I would do is, this is my old GA frame. I'll drag it into the space for enumeration area frame, because we are running validation with our old GA. This is my old GA. Then for the boundary point, I'm just going to look for where it is. It's under workspace. This is where I kept it. So this is the file, the meshed EA diet I just did. I'll drag it into boundary. So what you need to drag, you drag your EAs into, that's your boundary point, into the column for boundary. You drag your old EA from your table of content into your enumeration area. Then you are supposed to save this thing into your validation GDB, that the GDB provided for your validation report. So if you have not selected it, you select it. So this is the GDB. I've used it before, so where you just select it and you put name, however you want to name it. So let me just say Jerry. I'll put today's date, which is 20th of March 2022. Okay, and you save. Then you click OK. When you click OK, it will run the validation. So I'm clicking OK right now. I've done that. Let me take a while because I'm making I'm running many A's together. So it will run the validation. So I'm just gonna wait for it. When it is done, the thing will come up here. Come up here. So you just wait. It's run and run. You know. Still running. So I just have to wait. You know. If I had a faster system, it would have been completed. But then, what to do? Okay, we're almost there. So we're done. So it has showed completed. When it's completed, it will come up here. So you just need to close it. You can close it here or here. So I'll just close the stuffs. Then you open this. This is the validation report. You open the attribute table. When you open the attribute table, you see the, so I did for 17 years. You scroll to the ending. You see the ones that passed and flagged. This is status 1, status 2. So I'm just going to sort my status 2. When you click on this status 2 twice, it will arrange the flag on top. It's either sort by ascending or descending order. So that you want your pass to be up or your flagged EAs to be up. So you look at the EA names. So these are the EA names. These are their codes and all that. So I've run validation for these plenty EAs. So these are the other statistics. Residential difference, building difference, non-residential difference, population difference, and all that. So you compare the result you got with the old result. So this is old institutional building, total institutional building, and all that, then you can give the ones that have been flagged to the quality assurance personnel to go and check in the field. And when they check and they come back, you still compare what they got in the field and what your team marketer gave you. Then you make your decision. That is it about validating multiple EAs at once. Thank you very much. So I'll end my video right now. Okay, so thank you.